Hi, this is Rowdy Rebel. On the mod, I'm quite excited for my Rebel is to replace the exhaust. So I did get the Musarri this exhaust from eBay. I've got an unboxing video in my channel. So if you are interested, you can have a look. Basically, the idea is to ever since I bought my Rebel, I had two complaints. I absolutely love the bike, but I had two issues. One was the seat and the look of the exhaust. I'm not too fussed about the sound. I don't want anything too loud, but something decent and goes with the maybe slightly better than the existing rhythm. But the look of the OEM exhaust, no, a big thumbs down. So I'm quite excited to replace that with my new exhaust. And we'll go on about that. Before that, I will turn my bike on and show you what the original exhaust sounds like. So, the bike is in the neutral, so that's all right. Okay, so I have pre-loosened this screw here and this screw here. So basically, don't take it all the way out. So just make sure the other one is, so it's loose and it slides off. That's the idea. And same here. This one, I've pre-loosened both of these screws, so it's a good matter of taking it out. Now this one I don't have to completely take it off. It hangs there so that I should be able to slide it out. And this one, I'm going to use these bolts and nuts to put the other one. So basically, I will take them out. To me, it was pretty easy. So the nuts goes there. So you know what I'm using for the other exhaust. Musarri exhaust, almost there. Alright, and this is a bit tricky part. Just slide it out. That's it. It's quite heavy. I should admit it's quite heavy compared to maybe I should weigh them, because it's half the weight for sure. So yeah, so just keep it aside, and then now let's go ahead and install the new exhaust. So put this one first, that goes in there. I don't know the name for it.
Gasket.
Gasket, yeah, there's a name for it. So that goes in that way. Just make sure that can be aligned. Now this one, just make sure it's bolt up so that it can slice in, so you can tighten it and right it in place. So this is what I'll do. I'll just put this one in there so that it holds that up, so I'm not holding the weight. And that's in place, and that's in place. So this one that can be done. I'll just tighten it as much as I can with my hand, and then I'll use the ratchets. It's pretty tight by my hand. That way. So it's best to not to completely tighten this. Then you'll have, if you have more room to fix it, you can do it. So and then almost there. Make sure it's covered. Tighten it. It's pretty easy. I thought it's going to be one of the big project, and some of the people do sort of on the videos that I saw did replace the whole this bar. I would recommend to do, I would know to do that myself. Plus I think it does cost you the warranty of the vehicle, so probably down the line. So okay, that should be it. So once that's pretty tight, and then we'll start. So we I fit the exhaust in, and now the bit I forgot to mention was in here. Now I got 3 options. One of these mufflers, sort of. What is it? Bafflers. So there's one big long one stubby one, and they just had a honeycomb cover. So honeycomb cover is the noisiest one, and this one was the less noisy and the least noisy of all the 3. So now that because it's something new, so I just decided I'll go for that as the one that makes the most noise. And then when I get sick of that, or I can't hear my own music, I might change to this one or this one. If you're interested, put it in your comments. I might add another video with those sounds. Okay, so I'll leave them from down here. Let's go what it sounds like. That's that. Looks pretty awesome though. I am so impressed with the look itself. Especially combined with my Mustang seat and my panels here, side panels, and now 3 of my mods that I was very keen on doing. Finished that. So let's go with the sound. Hopefully you like it as much as I do. I'm gonna go 9 Pro as well. I'm gonna do some rides with the real rides, and you can see the actual sound on the road, how it is, because it's quite acoustic here in my garage. So yeah.